Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram mini apps. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So Telegram mini apps or TMA are web-based applications that run instantly with Telegram interface requiring no installation. You can simply go ahead and access them via the bots, direct links, or attachment menus to play games, shop, or use tools, while developers can build them using HTML, CSS, and Java. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open a specific bot in Telegram, a game bot, for example. So let's say go to the search bar and search for game bot. Once you've simply searched for the game bot, click on start, and now all you need to do is click on play now and click on launch. As you can see, it is going to launch the mini app straight into a browser or a little window. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.